Hey sunshines, welcome to Jane's Creative Life. In today's video, I am showing you a makeover that I did in this condo space. Right now, I'm showing you the before as is, which is the day that I came to do the consultation and the client agreed to the contract. So now I'm just walking around showing you guys how it was. The lights are very yellow, the walls are very bare, but we're gonna fix that, no worries. So I went ahead and installed some new light fixtures all over the place. The only space that I was not able to add new light fixtures to was the living room, because unfortunately there was no wiring for it in there, but we're gonna fix that later on. You will see what I did. So right now the space is already looking good with the brighter lights, to be honest with you, but we got to clean up. We gotta fix them, remove all these things out. As you can see, I already painted the walls gray. I love this gray. If you want to know more information as far as what paint I use, let me know in the comment section. Right now we are painting the accent wall in the living room. It's going to be black, and this is the after. Ooh, when I say my client loved the space, I did this wall. I have a video if you want to see it of me actually doing this wall. So everything looks so freaking pretty. Okay, they love the space. We wanted to keep it very minimal. We didn't want to just start adding so much decoration into the space, and she's not really into all that wall art, so we wanted the room to be very functional so she could pull out the chairs very comfortably and nothing won't be in her way. But like I said, if I had to do anything over, I would add some sort of greenery in the corners. But again, we love it as is. The table centerpiece was a DIY project I did on my own, because when I go into my client's home, I like to leave the space with something that you're not going to always find in someone else's home. So I try to do stuff that's not typical. You know, I always try to see how I could turn something around. And the centerpiece ended up looking amazing. So this is the living area, and as you can see, we cleaned up the kitchen. Well, not we, I hired a company. They came out, they cleaned out the whole house actually. And then this living room right here is so comfortable, it's so homey, although it has like the modern feel to it, but it's just so come sit down and let's have a conversation type atmosphere. We kept her sofa, we kept her ottoman, I kept the television. That was pretty much it that I kept in the whole entire space. As you can see, everything just looked much brighter. I try to bring as much light as I can in the space, so we added the floor lamp, as you can see on the other side. And then this light right here, I added a dimmable light switch so it actually can go brighter. It's just because of the camera, I didn't want it to overpower it so much, but she has much more light now. Like, can you imagine how dark it was before and how yellow it was? Now everything is just in place. It feels like everything is in place. So I'm going to show you a recap of the before, and then again I'm going to show you the after. One thing that I want to say about the kitchen area was there was so much potential there. Even she was shocked. There was space for everything in her cabinet. She just didn't know how to do it. So this is the before again, and again this is the after. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? How did I do? Do you like it? Leave a thumbs up on this video. Let me know if you want to see more of these type of videos, because like I told you guys, I want to show you more of my work, more of what I do with the stuff that I purchase from these stores. I will definitely catch you guys in the next one. If you're not already following me on Instagram, hit me up on Instagram, Miss Deals Finder, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, love you guys. Bye bye.